Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again. And it's been a while because I've been doing a shopping vlog, but right now my channel is in a stagnant moment, so I decided to do unboxing video. So here it is, my most I don't know how do you say it, but this is one of my top wish list. Okay, let's unbox it. It comes with card. I don't know what did she put in here. It's a wee card. A wee card. I'm excited. Okay, let's go. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Oh my god. That's how you do it. And gosh, I can't do that anymore. Strip it down. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh la la. So here it is. With a cute dust bag. And ta-da! One of my top wishlist bag. There we go. Check it out. Here it is. Ah, such a pretty bag. Yes, this is one of my #1 top wish list. And what I like in this one, she's so gorgeous, right? What I like in this one is the reverse monogram, and you didn't have to baby it, and it's really cute. It's cute. And that's how you open, and here's inside. But I'm disappointed that they don't have dust bag for strap. Come with strap, and yep, 1, 2, 3, and 4 compartment, 1 zipper at the back. It's cute, right? I managed to have my pochette, reverse pochette Louis Vuitton. Anyway, hope you enjoy my unboxing, and I will review it, and you know, and what's fit inside. So that will be my next vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching this video, and please like, subscribe, follow me. And I know I've been doing a shopping vlog lately, but because I know my video now is not serving, it's not even recommended or suggesting, so now I want to just do it for fun. But I still want to do try on haul, or maybe I still want to do a store walkthrough or shop with me. So mainly because I love Zara, because that's where most of my clothes from Zara. Right now I'm wearing Zara, and the bottom part is Topshop. But yeah, I love Zara, and that's the reason why I share it with you. What's new trends, what, you know, well, what's new in the store. So, and I hope you follow me by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.